Welcome to My Tech KBS. In this video, I will show you how you can install and uninstall Notepad++ in Ubuntu operating system. So open your terminal. There is a shortcut key Alt Control T. Type one command sudo snap install notepad hyphen plus hyphen plus. Press enter. Type your system password. It will take couple of seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Install. Now check Notepad Plus is there or not. There it is. Hello. All. So now this is the way to install Notepad++ in Ubuntu operating system. If you need to uninstall Notepad++, type one command sudo snap remove notepad hyphen plus hyphen plus. Now it is properly uninstalled. Just to ensure, search notepad. See, this is uninstalled properly. Alright buddy, that is all for this episode. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more upcoming video. Thanks for watching. I will come back in the next video.